What's the meaning of consonance? Consonance. Consonance.
Consonance. Consonance. Consonance is a literary device that refers to the repetition of consonant sounds in words that are in close proximity. This technique can be used to create a musical quality in written text and can add emphasis or beauty to language. Consonance is often used in poetry, song lyrics, and prose to create a memorable and pleasing sound for the reader or listener. It can also be used to create a sense of harmony or unity between words and phrases in a piece of writing.